Hello everyone, my name is Vera Dege. I'm an Ukrainian artist, muralist, graphic designer and illustrator. I would like to introduce a great course of doodle art that help you to improve your creative thinking skills and skills of drawing in such awesome technique as doodle. At the end of this course, you will know how to make doodles from simple elements as dots, lines, shapes, forms, textures. And how to create complex, awesome compositions from these elements. After this course, you can apply your knowledge in every area of your creativity, in graphic design, illustrations, wall painting, graffiti. You can create drawing for printing on fabric as well. So, let's get started!